Ah,
Or
okay.
sometimes
So,
you don't have to switch the funds at all. You just have to wait.
mm, so yung
Yeah.
movement niya is more moderate and spaced out.
Yes. Oo. Ganun.
Hindi siya yung frequent na
Hindi.
ginagalaw. Ah,
Hindi
okay.
siya yon. Kasi nga, there's a fund managers who manage the funds. That's why meron niyang, may bayad yan. Kasi you
Mm,
pay, it's a professional fees that you pay. No, there's a mutual funds, may charge management fee, sales charges, and other fees. But normally, napakaliit lang niya.
yeah.
Sometimes an entry fees or an exit fee. And sometimes
Mm.
there's only entry fee, no exit fee. May
Bak
mga ganon. So it depends.
mm,
But it's very, very small amount. Kasi after 1 year, parang hindi ka nagbayad ng service fee. Kasi bawi mo siya at the end of the year.